Good day everyone, welcome to Maxi Pro. This is another wonderful time. Today I'll be showing you how to create a professional Facebook page. Now that Nigeria has also been eligible for monetization, this is an opportunity for you also to have your own professional page where you can also start your content creation and also start earning money on Facebook. So how do you get to create this page? This is what I'll be showing you on a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. You'll be doing this with just your mobile phone. So what do we need to do? The first thing we need to do is to open our Facebook app. Now let's go. Open your Facebook. Now ensure you have a Facebook account. I believe everybody has a Facebook account. So now what is the next step? The next step is that you go to your Facebook account. Now as you are seeing on my screen, then you click on this menu. When you click on that menu, then you scroll down to pages. Now this is pages. Then you click on pages. Now let's click on pages. So now these are the existing pages that I already have on my Facebook account. Now if you want to create a new one now, then you are going to see how we do that. Now we click on create. So now it's going to bring in this page and follow this step-by-step guide on how to get started. Now let's click on get started. Now the first thing they are requesting from you is your page name. Now you must already have your page name before you start thinking about creating a Facebook page. So I already have a name for a page I want to create now. So what next? After inputting your Facebook name, then you click on next. So next. Now they are asking which category are you creating this Facebook page for. Now you can see the popular ones. We have music band, we have health, we have stuff like that. Now let me choose entertainment. Now this varies and this actually depends on it actually depends. So you can choose entertainment, you can choose creator. So let me see various options that are there. So you can see different options that is there. So I'm just trying to check and look for a suitable one. Now for this page you can select up to 3 categories. Now I'm going to be selecting 3 things. Now one, I select digital creator. So now let me choose another one. I want to choose entertainment. So it's bringing me entertainment. So now what's other thing? Now you are choosing this based on the type of page you want to create. I believe you are getting that. Okay, so now let me just leave it with that two and let's proceed. Now what next? You click on create. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, now woo, you have created your page. Now you can see it, you have created your page. So what is the next thing you need to do? He said what best describe your goal, that is why are you creating the page. Now the purpose of this page I'm creating is for entertainment, news and financial updates. So now I'm going to click on content because mostly I want to be posting content on this page, so I'm not actually promoting a product. Now for you that you want to create a page for your business, you can choose this one, or for your product, but now I'm going for content to connect with fans. That's the reason why I'm creating this page. So I click on continue. Now you can see that the page head is fair. Why? Because I've not done all the necessary things that I need to do. So number one thing, I need to upload a profile picture, I need to upload a cover image. Now you must have a profile picture you want to use for your page and a cover image. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to upload our profile picture and our cover image. So let me just choose. Now you can see now successfully uploaded. Then you choose the cover image. and that's perfect. Wow. Then what next? You click on next. So let's just wait for it to load. Now you see, now it's asking me to invite people now, so I'm actually not going to that currently. I want to completely set up the page before I start inviting people. Okay, so let's go. Then you click on next. Now you still see it's bringing other pages and different things for me, but I'm not ready for that now. What we are ready for is creating a correct page first. So click on next. Now what next? You click on done. Now it's switching my profile to the new page I just created. So let's just wait patiently. Wow. Now here is our page. Here is our page. Here is our page. Here is our. Now you can see that this page health is still showing fear, which means that if I started posting content now on this page, I might likely not get enough visibility. So what do I need to do? It's telling me to update all the informations on the page, and that is what we are going to do now. So then we come here, we click on edit. About, then we come to about page. So what do we need to do now? If you have a contact address, you input that. Phone number, you input. Email, you input. Address and service, you input. So all these, they are actually not necessary. You can actually put them on private, so it actually depends on you anyway. Now it's asking for price range. For people that are into products and services and you want to put your prices and everything like that, so you can just put it there, put everything here. So now, so once you input all these details, once you input all those details, it's going to help your page to become green. Now that place where it's showing where it's still showing fair is going to become good. Now when you finish all those updates, it's going to show excellent. It's going to show excellent. Now let me put an action button and see what is going to happen. So now on this action button, when anybody click on your page, what is going to show to them is this action button, and you can either choose to put your WhatsApp number if you are selling a product, or you put a send message, you put a contact us. Now let's just say I have I have a YouTube channel, or I have a TikTok, a YouTube channel rather, so that I want to link to my page. So I can just come here and click on watch now. Now when I click on this watch now, I'm going to click next. Now it's going to ask me to input the name of my YouTube channel here. Are you getting that now? So you can just input your YouTube channel link there. So now, but now I'm not doing that. Let me just put send us email, or contact us. So anyone. Now okay, let me use send us email. Now I'm just going to add my email here. Let me just choose one of the email. Now you can create another email for your page name, but I've not done that yet, so I'm just going to use one as an example now. So let me just put it and save. So once I save, that is done. And don't forget, once you do all these things, this fair that is showing on your Facebook page is going to become green. It's going to become green. It's going to become green. Now now you have successfully created your Facebook page, and after you have done all those things, what you need next to start doing is to start creating your content. So in the next video, I will show you how you can start content creation with your Facebook page, and how you can start generating views, and also how you can also edit your videos. On Maxi Pro, we'll be teaching people a lot of skills that you can actually start doing, and you can even monetize them, but I'll be giving them for free now. So ensure you share this video, share it as many times as possible to all your loved ones. Like this page, comment in the comment section anything that is not clear. Ensure you comment it in the comment section so that I can attend to that in my next video. So thank you for watching. Thank you, and have a wonderful time.